Yo, 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 what's up? It's your boy Cautious from Freestyle Kings TV, and I'm asking a little bit of favor from you guys. Ain't a big problem, ain't a big favor, but I'm gonna need you to get on over there to the Freestyle Kings TV page. Search for it in the Facebook search engine. It is facebook.com/Freestyle Kings TV, and it's with a Z. Or, I know I messed up, or you can go back into the Facebook search engine and type in Freestyle Kings TV. I'm gonna leave my mess up in there because it's raw and uncut. Just do it official over there. Like the page, and we'll be granting you accesses to receive live update news feeds about future events that us and the crew will be doing. This does involve money. Everyone loves free money, so hey, I stress to you, pay attention, follow us, and it'll be worth your while. Reason I didn't tag anybody to my last video is because I try to separate my personal page from my business, and got a lot of my cousins and relatives wanting to know why wasn't untagged. Well, some people don't like to be tagged because they're not in the video, or if they're not in the video, I don't want to get considered as spam and getting on everybody's nerves. So what I'm gonna need you guys to do is just get on over there and like it. Once again, that is facebook.com/Freestyle Kings TV, and that is with a Z. Man, y'all follow up, man. We just got bigger and better things to do. Hey, I can't stress no more. So, I'm gonna holler at you boys. We're gonna be bringing you more videos. We're gonna be trying to do it. It's your boy Cautious, and I'm out.